panels that I just got in the mail from Artefex, and I'm going to open them up and see what we've got. Let's see where's it. So this is packed really well. Cool. All right, so first one here, what is this? Oh, this is the Charta panel. So this is awesome. I'm really excited about this. This is watercolor paper mounted on the ATM, which is awesome. So instead of using a block or having a piece of paper that then you have to mount, it's like ready to go. So it already feels like an art piece. So I'm really excited to use these. And then, oh, we have a beautiful linen panel in here. It's got the corners on it. Oh, awesome. Honeycomb texture on the inside that reduces the weight of the panel. So it's super strong, but also super light, super space age. So this is the linen 533. So they've laser cut my signature on the back. That's awesome. Looks really beautiful. So this is the all-in panel. Let's just take it out of the packaging so you guys can see the texture closer. So this is like using a lead primed linen surface, but instead of, spending hours stretching, prepping, stapling, it's all ready to go. I love this. It smells nice too. It smells like linen. It's real linen, lead primed. It's awesome. And it's just so much better than stretching canvas. It's going to be stable for all time. This is like museum quality. Corner here, you can see up here you've got the honeycomb texture that keeps it really lightweight, super, super rigid. Get the box out of the way. So the all-in panel, Charta panels here. I can't wait to get painting.